Hi, welcome to Dao Shows You How. I'm Dao. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a bobbin rack that can hold lots of bobbins. And I have small, little limited space here. I'm always looking for something that takes the least space. And when I found this bobbin rack, I knew I had to make one. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I did it. If you like me and have small space, you're going to want to watch this video. So let's get started. Okay, we're going to turn this into a bobbin rack, and you're going to need one of these. I'm not sure what they call it, but people in shops use it for display. And I found it in a discount shop, and I'm using 45 by 24 inches. It should be able to hold more than 150 bobbins. And I'm not sure what they call it, so I'm going to call it a metal net because it's metal and it looks like a net. And also we need some wire cutters and also some sandpaper, and I'm going to use 80 grit, and that's it. That's what we need. So let's do it. Okay, we're going to cut the first row. Leave this row, don't cut it here yet, and I'm going to show you why. So this is the easiest way for me to cut. You just cut on one side first, like that, and then move the cutter this way. That's it. And one more time. That's it. That's it. Okay, and then just keep cutting until the end of the net. And now, as you can see here, grab this, and then we're going to bend it. Pull it to you a little bit, just like that. Just like that. Okay, and after that, use your sandpaper to sand it down. You don't really need it actually, but just be careful when you put your bobbins into the net. Okay, and after you're done the first row, you can skip this one and then start from here. We're gonna do the same. Cut on this side. Oh, that's pretty easy. Cut on this side, that side, this side, and that side. And we're gonna bend it just like what we did. And now I'm going to show you the reason why we skip this row. So if you cut it here, I know you want to be able to hold lots of bobbins, but this is what happened. If you roll it, you have nothing you can hold on, and there, you're going to break it. So that's why you're going to skip that row. And then we're going to keep doing like that until when you get enough. Okay, when you're done, you just put your bobbins on like this. And that's it. Very simple, quick, easy, and cheap. And also it saves a ton of space. And that's it. Look at that. Very nice. So you can hang it on your wall, and you have, like I have here, lots of space for more bobbins. You can also hang your scissors here too. And I just put it right next to my sewing machine, so it's very practical, very easy to use. So that's it. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you make one for yourself. Thanks for watching. This has been Dao Shows You How. I'm Dao, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.